Has your footage ever looked over or underexposed? This video shows you how to improve your photo quality with HDR and isolated exposure. HDR. There are two HDR shooting modes, HDR Photo and Active HDR for recording videos. HDR helps you capture images with a high dynamic range. For example, if you're taking photos in bright light, like at sunset, your image could look overexposed in bright areas and underexposed in dark ones. Using HDR preserves details in the highlights and shadows for a more true-to-life image. Isolated exposure. With the 360 camera, there can be large light variations between the two lenses. For example, when filming in a car, the outside might be too bright and the inside too dark. By turning on isolated exposure, the camera automatically evens out each lens's exposure and white balance, making sure everything looks even. However, you may notice color differences when the images are stitched together, and in most cases, you don't need to turn on isolated exposure. When editing, try not to change the view too often and avoid reframing along the stitch line. Use keyframes to fix the perspective or multi-view for two perspectives in the same clip.